Hello everyone, welcome to WPAI Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to install WordPress locally using dock on Ubuntu. By the end of this video, you will have your own WordPress development environment where you can safely learn, test plugins, and build websites without affecting a live site. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure Docker and Docker Compose are already installed on your Ubuntu systems. In this video, we will focus on creating a local WordPress environment using Docker. If you would like a dedicated tutorial on installing Docker, let me know in comments and I will cover that in future video. Let's open the project folder where our Docker configuration is stored. Yeah, this is the Docker file name, docker-compose. There are three services in this file. One is database, one is WordPress, and third one is phpMyAdmin. Now, first service is MariaDB. This is where the WordPress stores all its content, including post, page, users, comments, and settings, plugins, themes, everything. The second service is the WordPress application itself. We have mapped the WordPress to this port 8888, so we can access it through localhost. Third service is phpMyAdmin, which provides the graphical interface to manage the database. Port number is 8889. We can access it using this port later using browser. Before we continue, let's understand what is a Docker container. A Docker is a lightweight, isolated environment that contains everything that application needs. In our project, we are using the three containers: MariaDB container, WordPress container, PHP container. Let's see the status of three containers. Three containers are running. First container is database. The second container is phpMyAdmin, where we can manage the database. The third container is WordPress, where our website is stored. Since I have already started the container while preparing the tutorial, Docker reports that they are already running. On your first one, Docker will download the required images, which may take few minutes depending on your internet connection. We now have three containers running: MariaDB, WordPress, phpMyAdmin. Let's see the status of website. This is the website. This is the phpMyAdmin. Let's begin the WordPress installation. This is the first screen when accessing the WordPress for the first time. We can install the WordPress in many languages. We have to select which language we need. I'm selecting the English, then click on continue. Here we need to put the site titles, username, password, and email address. Let's start with title, username, password. Password is automatically generating, so we can use this password or generate any other password. Let's save this one. Put the email address. This email address is a WordPress administrator email address. It is used to reset the passwords and will get all the notification from WordPress application, like theme updates, plugin updates. All notification will be getting to this email address. Yes, this is the last option, the search engine visibility. This option is not required because we are installing the WordPress in our local system. So search engine won't fetch the site from local system. So we'll select this one and click on install WordPress. Yeah, I'm using Firefox. If you want, we can save it here username. Otherwise, we can keep it as not now. Here, successfully WordPress has been installed with the username MySQL and I've already chosen the WordPress. Let's open administrative page. This is the URL to access the WordPress administrative page. Let's access the dashboard. This is the WordPress dashboard where we can build the site, where we can manage the site. There are so many options: post, media, page, comment, plugins. We can install the plugins here. User, we can create users for WordPress to manage the site like subscribers, editor, viewer. This is the tool. There's the settings. This is the profile, keyboard shortcuts, toolbar. We can change the language here. Here it is a username. You can show. You can enter first name, last name. This is the email address. This is the website URL. Picture. We can reset the new password here. Then click on update. This local environment is perfect for learning WordPress, testing plugins, experimenting with the themes, building website without affecting a live site. If you found this tutorial is helpful, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.